We're just a few hours away from the start of a resentencing hearing for the Menendez brothers.
Erik and Lyle Menendez are currently serving a life sentence at Donovan State Prison in Otay Mesa. They were convicted for the 1989 murder of their parents.
ABC 10 News reporter Adam Campos joins us live in the studio. Adam, this push for freedom, we've seen so many steps over the last couple of years with filings and refilings and postponements, and now we're hearing that there may be another delay.
Hey, good morning, Jared and Mel. That's right. In a late night filing Wednesday, the LA County DA's office is pushing to delay the hearing just hours before spectators are expected to pack the courtroom. Prosecutors are urging the court to get a copy of a risk assessment on the brothers that was requested by Governor Newsom, and the DA's office is pushing the judge to delay the sentencing if the court can't get a copy in time for the hearing. It believes the court should have all up-to-date risk assessments before making a choice on the brothers. Now, if the court decides to move forward with today's hearing, a criminal defense attorney we spoke to says the judge will look at everything involved in this case. Now, it's clear the murders were heinous, as he said, but the court will take into consideration a few other factors.
What the court's going to also be looking at is going to be the behavior of these brothers in prison. There have been a couple of write-ups here and there, but by the most part, by most accounts, they've been model inmates. And it will look at risk of danger to the community, and it will look at the unique circumstances of this offense, including but not limited to these claims of sexual abuse.
So if the hearing continues today, we have the chance for resentencing, which could lead to their freedom. But another path to freedom for the brothers is the request for clemency. And that's where that risk assessment ordered by Governor Newsom comes into play. The hearing for that would take place in June. And then another path is the habeas corpus petition that was filed in 2023 with evidence that wasn't presented in their second trial. So we're obviously going to have to wait to see where that stands for the pushback on the hearing. But if the hearing goes on today, the judge ultimately will decide if the brothers deserve freedom, and 10 family members are ready to take the stand at the hearing.